started drinking water the other day too. I had a pimple right, whatever.
You need to drink. Yeah, you need to get some stuff. I drink Kangen water. Is it Kangen or Kangen? Whatever it is.
Man?
I don't know, man. But it's got my skin shining, brother. So whatever they said, I believe it. Okay. I done looked at a lot of people's faces over this last couple months, man. People out here looking dead. Okay. People out here looking like day walkers, man. You gotta moisturize, fellas. All right. Listen, I don't care how tough you are.
Yeah.
I don't care how many people you done killed, brother. At the end of the day, man, you out here walking with the dead face. All right, y'all, get a moisturizer, homie.
Comes equipped with over-the-top features including a luxurious living room, makeup area, and an own second floor. We stop by an appetizing feature no one can resist. This kitchen proves it's a step above the rest.
Look how big this is. Look, I can jump in here. We had to bring all the elements of what they would have in one of their massive homes right into one of our trailers. So that's why we have a convection microwave. We have the full stovetop. We have hideaway fridges. Even water comes at a premium on this trailer. We have a $4,000 Kangen water machine. It is hands down the world's best water. As we walk up these granite stairs, we make it to the grand finale. The roof pops up. We have a full second level of pure awesomeness.